Mm. Mm, mm, mm.
Girl, you better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'll be making oatmeal wings. If you are wondering, like, oatmeal wings, what? So I've decided to make this my first video because it's the most requested thing that I have ever posted on WhatsApp. I legit have over 21 or 22 messages about the oatmeal wings, and I gave like 4 persons the recipe, and I told everybody else, hey, when I make my channel, you'll see how it gets done. So this video is for those persons that really wanted to see how I made this, and for other persons who are just interested in oatmeal wings. So firstly, we are going to wash our wings with some lemon, lime, or vinegar and water, of course. And then I'm going to begin the whole seasoning process. I'm actually going in firstly with all-purpose seasoning because that's all I took here. Hey, all-purpose is for all purposes. Now while I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning, I won't be telling you that I added exactly a teaspoon or a tablespoon because really and truly I don't measure seasoning. So I'm going in with a little bit first, just a little, and I see that that needs more, so I'm going to add a little bit more of that all-purpose powder seasoning, not too much, of course. And then I am definitely going to add some of my orange seasoning. I will be inserting pictures of how I made the whole orange seasoning here so you can know what I did. I'm now going in with some nice dried thyme leaves, and I'm going to massage all the seasoning in my wings to make sure that it's well seasoned. So would you look at this? Absolutely beautiful, smelling so good. I'm now going to allow this to marinate in the fridge for 3 hours.
3 hours later.
So these are the wings fresh out of the fridge, smelling so good. I really wish you guys could smell this right now. It's turned up. I'm now going to move on to the amazing part, the oatmeal. So I'm going to add 2 cups of oatmeal to my blender, and then I'll leave some in the bowl. This is what it looks like after it gets out of the blender, nice and flour like, and the oats that wasn't blended is still added, and some black sesame seeds. I absolutely love sesame seeds. So now we are going to spice up the eggs. We are adding milk, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning, and giving that a nice whisk with the fork. If you don't have a whisk, use a fork. Have to learn survival. So now you'll see what all 3 looks like. I'm now going to give my wings extra massage, to get the seasoning in a little more since it was in the fridge. And then I'm going to start adding it to the eggs. Then from the eggs it goes into the oatmeal, coating the wing very well. And now you'll see how I also coat a flat. That was a drum. Now I'm coating a flat into the oatmeal, getting all that oatmeal on it, getting it really coated. You're getting it coated well because it's not flour. You want to get it really coated so it doesn't fall off in the oil and you're just left with nothing. So this is how it looks after one coat. I will definitely coat this again, but off camera to not make the video so long. And now, getting my oil heated, I have enough oil in the pot. Then I'll add all my wings in the pot at medium heat. They are frying nicely. Sesame seeds looking so good. They are frying. You just turn them a little. Try not to get the flake off. This will be very, very, very crispy. Please note, guys, this is smelling so good. So after about 8 minutes, this is what it looks like. It needs to be fried just a little bit more, so I'll give it like 3 more minutes, and after 3 minutes, this is what it looks like. So good. So this is the end product, absolutely filter free. It looks good and it tastes even better. I'm serving this with a glass of natural juice made by yours truly. You'll see that video soon. So guys, let me know in the comment section if this is something that you try, and let me know what you think about this recipe. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with everyone you know. Until then.